Hi children, how are you all? All are fine at home? Dear students, welcome back to Maths class. In previous class, you already studied about the angles, meaning of angle and how to use the protractor and how to measure the angles. Do you study or not? Yes, you studied all these things. Now, today, according to that base, we will start the exercise 6.2. Now here, first one, mark the right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle with the different colors in the following figures. All of you know how right angle looks like and how the acute angle looks and how the obtuse angle looks. Okay, I will give the one information here. See children, the angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means what? Like this. Okay, 90 degree means like this, exact. And more than 90 degree means how it is? Like this. Okay, this is obtuse angle and these are the acute angles and exact this is the right angle. Okay, see, you observe now these figures and you should mark the acute, obtuse and right angle. See, this figure is made up of triangles. Yes, one triangle, 2, 3, 4. See, in one triangle means, can you mark the angles? See, this is which angle it is? Acute. Acute angle, acute angle. One triangle having the three acute angles. Acute, acute angle, acute angle. Okay, like this you mark all the triangles. Understood? And you see outside also acute angle, acute, acute angles. See, right here acute angle is how much? Right angle is how much? Obtuse angle is how much? This is not necessary to write, but you should write now. 3 means 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 13, 14, 15. Yes, 15 acute angles are there. Right angles 0 and obtuse angles also 0. Next, yes, this is the house. 1 acute angle, 2 acute angle, 3 acute angle. This is what? Right angle, children. Yes, looking like a exact 90 degree, no? Right angle. And this is also right angle. Okay. Next, see here. This angle is an obtuse angle. And this angle is an acute. Now you count, children. How many acute angles are there? Right angles are there and obtuse angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 acute angles. Okay. Right angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right angles. Obtuse angles how many? 1, 2. Obtuse angles are how many? 2 obtuse angles. Next one. Way to school. Yes, this is one type of the board. Right angle, right angle. This is obtuse. This is acute. Okay. Here you see, this is a right angle. This is one right angle, right angle. Right angle, right angle. Right angle, right angle, right angle. Here also the right angle, right angle. And here also the right angle, the right angle. See, here slightly it came. Here there is a right angle. Now you count how many acute angle, right angles, obtuse angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, again I counted. Next, obtuse angle is 2 only. And acute angle only 1. Okay. Fourth one. See here children. 1 acute obtuse angle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each figure how many? 8. And here 1 acute angle, acute, 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 acute. means 8 acute angles, and here 8 obtuse angles. Right angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and inside the figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this, here you draw the big figure and name the angles. Okay. Next, how many acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle? How to count? See here. Each angle, how many obtuse angles are there? 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Okay, these are 32. And here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 5s are means this also 8 means 8 5s are 40 obtuse angle. Okay, how many are there? 40. Yes. Now you count the acute angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 acute angles are there. 40 obtuse angles are there. Then you count the right angles. Each box containing 4 right angles. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Okay, 20 right angle. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this 4. 24. Is it clear? Right angle 24, obtuse angle 40 and acute angle 8. If it is possible in anywhere means you should mark the angles and write the numbers. Next one. Tell me, this is the one skeleton diagram of the human look like now. It look like a human skeleton diagram. You see where the angles will form here, exact 90 degree both side. Okay, and here obtuse angles will form, and here acute angle will form, and here obtuse angle will form, and here very small it is. Here don't want to, but here also. Okay, here also it will come little bit, it will come, and here obtuse angle, here little bit above 90 degree both side. This is also obtuse angle, this is acute angle, and this side you see slightly angles are formed. Right, acute, right angle and obtuse angle. This is your homework. You should write. Okay, you should count and write how many obtuse angles, right angles I marked. You should count and write. Next name. Measure the following angles and write the measurement and types of the angles. Then what we should do? We should measure the angles, dear children. Then how we will measure the angles? Using what? We will use the protractor, no? To measure the angle, we will use the protractor. All of you know how to measure the angles. Okay. Here, which is the vertex? This is the vertex points where the two rays will make. This is the vertex points, and this is the protractor. This is inner semicircle and this is the outer semicircle. Okay, now I will keep on the vertex. Okay, tell me how much is there. See, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and exact 55 is there, you see. Okay, how much? 50 and next 60. Middle line it is there. Right here how much is there? 55. Understood how to measure the angles. Next B. Okay, in the vertex point we will keep, you see where it is, exact 90, 95. 95 degree. Next, third one. Yes, easily we can say that this is exact 90 degree. Okay, next. Like this you keep your protector. How to keep the protector is very important. See, correct, I kept 30, 31, 32. Exact how much is there? 32 degree. Next, this is the straight line. Straight line means how much it is? Exact 180 degree. Okay, next F1. Yes, this is the vertex point. How much you tell me? 100. See here, 100, 101, 102 is there, you see. 100, 101, 102. In some protector it will come 103. In this protector it will come 102. Okay. Third one. Observe the acute angle, obtuse angle and right angles in your classroom and list them. Example, they have given the two edges of a blackboard is right angle. Yes or no? Yes. Now in the classroom, which are those things? They are look like a right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. See here. First one is edge of the board, edge of the table, hand of the clock. Yes. Or edge of the bench. Like that you should write. Next, acute angle, pencil nib. Yes, here is their pencil. This you see the angles. Pencil angle is acute angle and hands of the clock. See, these hands of the clock is example for acute angle, obtuse angle as well as the right angle also. Because always the clock will rotate or not. Next, obtuse angle, edges of the projector, hands of the clock, bladder of the fan. These are the example for what? Obtuse angle, right angle and acute angle. Next, fourth one. Write your name using English capital letters. List the number of acute angles, obtuse angles and right angles in them. See children, see. I don't know what's your name. Okay, 60 students are there in the class, means I don't know their names, but in previous class already I told you practice alphabets. Okay, I will show you. Fourth one, no it is. My name is, no. Okay, anyone in our class name, I don't know whose name I will take now. Whose name shall I take now? Whose name? Anyone's name? Okay, I don't know the name. I will take Ananya. A-N-A-N-Y. This is the name of Ananya. Okay. See, Ananya. Clearly I will give the ideas about the alphabets. A-N. Use the two lines. Okay, this is the name of that girl. You tell me this is the acute angle, and this is the obtuse angle. Okay, then acute angle, and these are the obtuse angles. Here also acute angle. Here there is a obtuse angle, acute angle, and this is two are obtuse angles. Now you count and tell me how many acute angles are there, right angle are there, and obtuse angles are there. Okay, here you should, fourth one, you should write your name, children. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 acute angles are there. Obtuse angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 obtuse angles are there. Okay, right angles is there? No, there is no right angles. You put 0. One more time I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, obtuse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I forgot. Obtuse angles is how much? 7. That time I forgot to count this Y obtuse angle. Okay, like this you should write. One more example. Now I will take one boy name. One boy name I will take Ravi. Ravi is there in my class? Ravi is there means yes ma'am you tell. Okay. Yes. See children. See here, this is the curved surface. There is no angles will form. But in this case you see, yes, there is a acute angle. Acute, 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 obtuse, obtuse. And this is the acute angle. Right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. How many are there you tell me? Acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. Acute angle is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obtuse angle only 2. Right angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understood now how to find out the angles? Okay, this is fourth one. Okay, dear students, in this class you have learnt exercise 6.2 up to 4th man. Thank you.